हेलो नमस्ते बॉन्जूर गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड जैसे कि आप लोगों ने वीडियो टाइटल से देख लिया होगा, दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट द अनबॉक्सिंग एंड द रिव्यू ऑफ दिस Infinity Fuse 100 Bluetooth speakers. So let's begin. So here's the unboxing. So we'll see the box contents. So first I would like to let you know कि ये जो Infinity ब्रांड है, it comes under the मेजर ब्रांड हारमन, एंड हारमन के ये सब अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स हैं। सो फर्स्ट थिंग, हम लोग को एक माइक्रो यूएसबी केबल मिलता है। देन वी हैव अ थ्रेड विच इज़ यूज टू हैंग द स्पीकर एंड कैरी अराउंड फॉर द पोर्टेबिलिटी। वी ऑल्सो गेट अ यूजर मैनुअल एंड फाइनली the speakers. So I opted for this red color as it looks great. So now talking about the build quality, I feel the build quality is really awesome, and the mesh used over here is of very good quality and it is really nice. It feels very premium. The rubberized top and the bottom also makes the feel really good. So now talking about the controls of this speaker. So all the controls of the speaker are in the top. So as you can see, we have the main power on off button in the center, then the volume up and down keys and the music play pause button, and as you can see we have the charging port and the aux port here in the bottom. So as you might be thinking with the design of the speaker that this is an omnidirectional speaker, but no, it is a directional speaker. It has a speaker grid over here, and so it throws sound towards you, and which is a good thing. तो अभी हम देखेंगे how to connect the speaker to the tab. Bluetooth ऑन कर लेंगे and speaker को ऑन कर लेंगे हम लोग.
Powering on. Connected.
So now the speaker is connected to the tab. So now talking about the specifications of the speaker. So this speaker has 8 hours of playtime at 50% volume and 6 to 7 hours of playtime at max volume. It has dual equalizer modes for normal and deep bass output. It is IPX7 waterproof design. We can also pair two Infinity Fuse 100 speakers together and play as left channel and right channel audio. It has an inbuilt microphone. The Google Assistant and Siri can also be activated using the voice commands, so it helps in the lots of free stuff. So as I was talking about the dual equalizer modes, so here it is. To switch between the normal mode and the deep bass mode, we have to press the volume up and down button consecutively for a few seconds.
Deep bass. Normal.
So this is how you can switch between the modes. So now we will listen to the sound output of the speaker. So I will say that the sound quality of the speaker is excellent for the price point. It has a very good bass and treble, but it lacks a bit in the low end, and that is because of the small size and the compactness. I would suggest that if you are watching YouTube videos or consuming some multimedia content, then prefer it in the normal equalizer mode, and if you are using it for listening to songs, then I would suggest that you switch to the deep bass equalizer mode. So finally I would like to conclude that this speaker is a good combination of price, build, quality and sound. So this speaker is highly recommended in this price point. And so one more point I wanted to say is that if we have one more speaker of this, we can connect both of them together and we can use. And another point is that the microphone of this speaker is really good quality, but not as good as the one in the smartphones, because I tried testing this when I was talking to some person and the receiver was able to hear my voice clearly. So talking about some cons of this speaker, suppose we are attending Google Meet or Zoom meetings, the sound output of the speaker is not that loud enough. And one more con is that the connectivity range of this speaker is not that relatively good. So that's it for the unboxing and the review of this product. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. So thanks for watching. See you.